Hello everyone, today I want to show you how I can work this neat edge stitch. This stitch is called a brioche stitch and it's perfect for a half brioche or a brioche stitch, but you can also use it in a garter stitch or other stitch patterns. For your setup row, cast on the number of stitches you need for your project and then with your yarn in front, slip one stitch purlwise. Now work your yarn over and then work in your stitch pattern to your last stitch. When you reach your last stitch in your setup row, you won't have a yarn over here, so knit this last stitch. Turn your work around and then repeat. With your yarn in front, slip one stitch purlwise and then work a yarn over. Knit in your stitch pattern to the last stitch. And now your last stitch will have a yarn over. Knit the yarn over and your last stitch together. Now turn your work again and keep repeating these two steps. I have already worked a few rows here and you can see that we have a really neat and tidy edge which works perfect for scarves or other projects where you keep the edges open. So I have also prepared another swatch because I wanted to show you how the brioche edge stitch looks with a brioche stitch pattern, and as you can see it looks amazing. Keep repeating what I did show you before. With the yarn in front, slip one stitch purlwise, then work a yarn over, work in your brioche stitch pattern, and when you reach the last stitch, knit the yarn over and your edge stitch together. This edge stitch works really well with increases and decreases, and you can work it everywhere you want to leave your edges open and just need a neat and tidy finish. So that's already it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending your time with me. If you liked the video, please leave a comment down below, or if you don't want to comment, like this video. It would make me really happy and it would support my channel here so much. So thanks again for today. Until next time. Bye.